What is Flamenco Natyam? Flamenco Natyam's concept began quite early. It refers to a dance fusion between Spain and India, inspired by the origins of the gypsies of Andalusia in southern Spain. Flamenco Natyam explores the similarities between flamenco and South Indian dance, as Carnatic music has a definite connection between the two regions, which the gypsies brought with them to Spain many centuries ago. This performance materializes the connection between the two dances and is presented for the first time in the renowned series of works and methods at the Guggenheim Museum in New York. Rajika Puri and Laconia called it Flamenco India after 3 nights of being sold out. They then took the tour of India, introducing an inclusion of Indian singers, choreographing 2 additional pieces, and modifying the names of their series, which was shown as Flamenco Natyam in Delhi by the ICCR and the Spanish Embassy. As the concept evolved, choreography changed from a traditional flamenco concert of Western musicians to a more complex combination of South Indian and Southern Spanish music and dance. In this manner, it changed. In a bar's smoky cloud, a skirt's ruffle swirls. The tone of sad instruments is cracking percussive foot. The stage is popular in many flamenco resorts in Madrid. But the performance today at one of the swankier hotels in Delhi is around 5,000 miles far from Spain. This Spanish dance appears exotic to Delhi's audience at the first blush. But today's dancers perform in a town which, unknown to many people, is similar to the Indian origins of flamenco. The sensual scenery of southern Spain is generally identified with the flamenco. Most flamenco songs are suspected to start in the arid plains of northern India. While the scholars have no agreement on the roots of flamenco, many trace it back to a community that moved from northern India through Europe around 1,000 years ago. This nomadic community became known as Roma in Spain, and some Roma settled. They are still identified as gypsies. The Roma did not have enough worldly resources, but the trip from India remained a special tradition, song and dance. These songs are combined with typical local folklore. The consequence is the modern flamenco, whose connection in rhythms and gestures is evident with India. Until recently, however, dancers were still not investigating the partnership between flamenco and classical Indian dance. In Spain, flamenco was found to thrive in tablaos or cafes in the late 19th century. But the appeal has diminished as a consequence of an increasingly oppressive system in Spain that languishes the arts like flamenco. Flamenco only re-emerged after independence was restored. Flamenco has just recently started to engage with other styles of dance and explore different gestures as it progresses from mainstream to high art dance. Today, as a part of emerging developments in world music, preeminent Spanish and Indian dancers discuss their new yet common past on worldwide fusion dance performances. The flamenco dancer and singer Laconia from New York have also an affinity to the East origins of flamenco since finding parallels while playing worldwide and owing to her Egyptian heritage. Knowing the past of flamenco, Pedro Cortes proposed a joint project to investigate the past of flamenco in India. However, Laconia didn't want to only attach an Indian instrument or offer an extravagant costume. Rather, she wanted to develop a performance that mixed flamenco and Indian Carnatic music and dance. She hoped to create works that emphasize the similarities of both dances and singing through duets. She approached Rajika Puri, a professional Bharatanatyam and Odissi dancer who 40 years earlier was a flamenco aficionado. Through their dance career, Lakonia and Rajika have provided a strong base for the dance skills as both dancers have disrupted their types of dance. The outcome of their 1997 partnership was the Pani production, which in Hindi and Kalo, the Roma language, translated into warm. The display was a flamenco guitar and a sitar duet set. As the musical director of the company, Pedro Cortes worked, he was able to construct a whole new flamenco sound during rehearsal, creating unconventional harmonies and experimenting on complex rhythms that are normally the base of sitar music. The dancers used the series as a way to know the differences between flamenco and South Indian dance, Bharatanatyam. Indian Council for Cultural Affairs has been responsible for the recording by renowned artists Omaira Amaya and Shobana Narayan of a fusion flamenco performance and Kathak in Delhi 2003. The grandson of Carmen Amaya, a pioneering flamenco poet, was often attracted to discovering different facets of flamenco dance and is renowned for his novel form, which regularly draws on contemporary jazz movement. When Shobana asked her about the development, she was instantly drawn to the concept of working together in India. Fusion shows cater to younger viewers who are constantly exposed to too many forms of dance and have also come to anticipate artistic ingenuity. The Bollywood dances have been popular in India, taking a significant amount of hip hop, western, salsa, and other forms of dance into account. Fusion performances represent a multicultural context in which many Indians frequently combine American, Indian, and other cultures. The fusion concerts reflect a pattern of cultural creativity that brings excitement and a new twist to conventional styles, even for audiences without direct contact with Spain or India. Flamenco Natyam provides the viewer with not just one but two types of art with rich cultures to experience.